Okay, so we got one sum of rational number for proving. Okay, we have to prove that this is equal to 11. So how we will start here? The first thing we'll take the left hand side. Okay, LHS, left hand side, whatever is given we'll copy as it is. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, okay, upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 over root 3 upon root 3 minus root 2. And since there is nothing common in the denominator, we directly cross multiply. So that become 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this multiply by this denominator, so root 3 minus root 2. Same way 2 root 3 will multiply with the first denominator, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and the whole denominator will be now one will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, okay, into root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so now we will multiply this with the bracket, so become 3 root 2 multiply by root 3 minus root 2, and then minus 2 root 3 multiply by root 3 minus root 2, and this will directly multiply. So 2 3 just 6 root 6 and 2 2 just 4, so plus 4 root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and whole thing upon. So as of now we'll keep the denominator as it is, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and root 3 minus root 2. So now we'll multiply here, so become 3 root 6, and then this will be 3 into root 2 into root 2 will be 2, so 2 3 just 6 minus root 3 into root 3 will be 3, 3 2 just 6, and then next will be minus minus plus 2 into, so 2 root 6, and then this will be plus 6 root 6 plus 4 into 3, that become the 12, so this will be 12. Okay, and this again will keep the denominator as it is only, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and this will be root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so if you see here, minus 6 become minus 12, and this is plus 12 get cancelled. Okay, the next will be all with the root 6 given here, so 3 root 6, 2 root 6 become 5, 5 plus 6 become 11 root 6. Okay, 11 root 6. Now we have to multiply the denominator also. So now this will be 3 root 2 into root 3, so become 3, so it become 3 root 6. Okay, same way next one is 3 into 2, 3 2 just 6, so minus 6, then 2 into 3 root 3 will be 3, 3 2 just 6, so it will be plus 6, and next will be 2 into root 6, so minus 2 root 6, so minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. So now this become here 11 root 6 upon, this is 3 root 6 minus 2 root 6, this is 6, because 2 into root 3 into root 2, that become 2 root 6. So this will be 3 root 6 minus 2 root 6, that give only root 6. Now root 6 and root 6 get cancelled, is equal to 11. Okay, so is equal to RHS. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So the answer of this is equal to 11. So in this type ka sum, you have to just go with the proper concentration. If somewhere if plus ka minus also if you do na, then the whole answer will go wrong. Okay, so if you need such more videos, you can like and subscribe my channel.